Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investments with Acorns, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Acorns app from your preferred app store. Open the app and create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Complete your profile by providing necessary information such as your name, age, and financial goals. Link your bank account by entering your banking details for seamless transactions. Set your investment preferences based on your risk tolerance, selecting between conservative, moderate, or aggressive portfolios. Choose whether to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar to invest spare change automatically. Review the app's potential investment options and select those that align with your financial goals. Consider enabling recurring contributions to ensure a steady investment growth over time. Monitor your investment performance through the app's dashboard, which offers insights and progress tracking. Explore educational resources available in the app to enhance your financial literacy. Adjust your investment strategy as needed by revisiting your risk tolerance and financial objectives periodically. Stay informed about market trends and how they may affect your investments. Utilize Acorns features like Found Money, where you can earn cash back from partner brands, contributing to your investment. Ensure your bank account remains funded to avoid missed investment opportunities. Review your investment portfolio at least annually to reassess and realign with your financial goals. Take advantage of any features that allow you to protect your investments from market volatility. Engage with the app's community or forums for tips on additional ways to safeguard and grow your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.